I know these. Hi guys, it's Scarlett and Skye. We're doing another unboxing, and it's a surprise. So let's go surprise, Skye.
Oh wait! Don't forget to subscribe.
Turn on the notification button
And like!
Let's close our eyes. I know these.
Oh, look, Scarlett.
And there's a little kitty cat down there. These are called missing kitties. They're itty bitty lost kitties.
What? I didn't know that they come in bottles. I just saw a commercial of them.
Yeah, I just saw a commercial of them come in milk containers. Right, Skye?
Yeah.
We're gonna open it.
Yeah, and I love them.
Recommended for 5 years or up. Let's turn it around. And it says 36 to collect. Whoa. Itty Bitty Lost Figure, Meme Sticker, Collector Sheet, and Shaping Compound. And I think that's the putty that comes in it, or the Play-Doh, whatever you want to call it. Aw, looks like a Play-Doh container though. Let's open the checklist first. We have home bodies, we have noms, all play, all ghosts, all grown up, and Cutie Patootie. I really want Sheldon.
I want T.P Rollerton.
Let's see what we got. I'm gonna open the baby bottle.
This one mine? What they got?
Oh, I don't know.
Mommy, and this one mine. That's the open.
Look, I got pink. I got this blind bag, and I got pink, and Skye got white.
Can you?
Oh, I got the one I wanted. I'm so lucky.
Wait, Mom. What's in there?
The toilet paper one. She got the toilet paper one. She's so lucky. I hope I get this one. I don't really want a sticker either.
What was that?
See what's in here. I think there's something in here. Wait. No. Feels so good. Oh my gosh, definitely get this. Poor little lost kitty. I'm gonna take good care of you.
Me too. Yeah, I like how my putty feels like, and I'm gonna put it in the bottle.
I'm opening the other one. I hope I get the one I wanted. I got pink.
I got yellow.
See which one I got. I got pink again, so I have a weird feeling that I'm gonna get the same one. I got the same one.
Yeah.
Over again. Okay, here, I'm gonna put it back. Poor little kitties. They're sick little kitty. Look at them. They're sitting in the putty.
Look, Scarlett. I made it with this.
I'm gonna try to do that.
Hey, friends! We come over to visit you guys. Can we have a sleepover?
Sure you can.
Okay. Where are we gonna sleep? In here, in this cage. Happy Cat, can I sleep with you? Yep, I'll take good care of you. I'll give you some medicine.
Okay.
Yay! Now I feel like a family. Me too. Good night.
Okay guys, thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the notification button, and like.
And bye-bye.
Bye guys.